Wilson EDC X9. Got a few rounds through it so far, so it's certainly not an out of the box. We're going to see how it shoots here at 15 yards. I'm not putting a 3-inch circle up. We'll look at the 8-inch. We're going to see how this thing works at 15 yards here at Ann Arbor Arms. Obviously pulled a few, but this thing's shooting really nice. It's got a beautiful trigger. Alright, still got the EDC X9. We are going to try to do the intermediate pistol 2 here at Ann Arbor Arms, and we'll see how it works with the EDC X9. Live with that. Drill here at Ann Arbor Arms with the Staccato C. See how this particular drill works with this gun. Shooting on a TC-71 target. Let's see how it works. EDC X9 shooting Federal HST 124 grain at 25 yards. Put a couple shots in just to see where this is hitting with Carry On. and using a pen from Friendly Fire. Good friend Gordy makes these, and we'll put a link on the website to these. I'm going to try it with the shooting Federal HST 124s out of the Staccato C, 25 yards. But compared to the EDC X9, but they're both suitable at 25 yards for defense. And that's it on Ann Arbor Arms from Riders Range.